He is not worth for it. The reason that he told is that I look too beautiful. Ambadi kitchen. Okay. Choppy cheek, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within features set. Is that you? Oh, not me. My body fitted. He's so baby, so cute, you know. Just 65 years old. Okay, anything not to tell you, okay? But I'm going to tell you a truth. This Lola cutie and the body cutie connection, Airtel connection, you know, long life guarantee. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you one thing. Okay. എന്റെ കാലിൽ എന്റെ ലീഡാ നിങ്ങളുടെ കാലിലോ. Next, the teacher is going to teach you dance steps. Let us teach it. I'll teach you steps, okay? First step. Take the Malayalam giant. Take the Malayalam giant. Okay, learn everyone. Next step. Imagine that is how to tie a rope. When you pull, the cow will pull you. When you pull, the cow will pull you. That is Michael Jackson's step. Okay, now we are going to do the dance. Let's do the dance. Not the Mumbai steps, but let's do the dance. Rasa, rasa, Manmata rasa, Arya pun kita rasa. Ganjil saya kerasa, silsilah. Okay. I'm standing a lot. Let me drink this tender coconut water. Oh. Do you want this? My lipstick is there with that. All right. You want to drink? Okay, good morning. Namaste ji. Not only the Devani genius.
What do you think of your English language?
Oh, my English grammatically correct.
So, are you making Malayalis proud with your English?
Oh, I'm a proud Indian. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Right now? Yes.
Do you think of yourself as a Malayali or as a Madrasi?
No, I consider me as a Malayali. True Malayali.
That's why you have foreign.
Yes. Style. Nice. See my English?
Yeah, very.
Yeah, thank you.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
What is the secret of this beautiful?
Expectations is what you get. When you don't get what you want, expectations don't get that. I get so beautiful.
So, what did you expect when you came here today?
I expected a lot of things. Chocolate, I like it a lot. Nobody gave me chocolate. What to do? What the people? But I am okay. I am satisfied with all the things. Very full AC setup. Very nice. I like it a lot. What's your original name? My original name? Anuradha Menon. Same name? You don't like the name? No. I like to just call us Lola Kuti. Everyone's Kuti.
Why?
Oh, Kuti is so cute, so baby, so nice.
What about Lola?
Lola is very beautiful. I know that you don't have to tell that.
So tell me something about your name. Anuradha to Lola.
Okay. Anuradha too?
Lola.
Oh, that. All my neighbors, I was playing with them cricket and all. With the bat and ball. Yeah, cricket. Then they started calling me Lolu. Then they called me Lola, Kuti, everyone's Kuti. That will be nice for them.
There is no reason behind the changing of your mind to.
No. I like to be a funny person. Everybody should smile always. That is my motto.
you ever appear as Anuragha now?
No.
Are you always Lola Kutti?
I am always Lola Kutti, this naughty girl.
So what's your father?
My father. He's my father.
Tell us something about your family.
My family. I've got a mother, I've got a father, my husband. Everyone nice only. We got a family.
You consider all the Indians are your brothers?
Yes, all are my brothers and sisters only.
And how does your husband call you? Lola or
No,
Anuragha?
cutie. Don't I look cute?
What about these spectacles?
Oh, that's also very
What
cute.
about your eyes or?
No. I can see everyone standing here. Nice range.
Something special about those spectacles?
Yes, round spectacles.
So in 2006, you called us Chronicle.
Chronicle.
Chronicle
Yes.
of Lola.
Yes. Oh, Chronicle of Lola. I use special terms, okay. Grammar, I'm very proud to tell that I've got a good grammar sense. Not sitting sense, but grammar sense. I'm proud of it.
Tell us something about your assistant. He looks very.
Oh, Bonnie Manon is so cute. Oh, I forgot to tell you one thing. I did a dance with Bonnie Manon. Let me show that to you, okay? By the river of Babylon, there is a dawn, and we wait. Then we remember, we sat by the river of Babylon. Yeah? That's it? Okay, you are just another naughty guy. And me, just another